Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and in Settings select Bluetooth and Devices. Then go to Touchpad, and here you'll find the settings of your touchpad, and by changing the cursor speed you will change the touchpad sensitivity. The default value is 5, but you can change it from 1 to 10 depending on how sensitive you want the touchpad to be. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.